Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see a big update on the Instagram. It's called Instagram Trial Reels. So how to upload the Instagram Trial Reel? Actually, the Instagram Trial Reel allows you to publish your reel to the non-followers and get more audience for your account. So today I'm just going to explain full about that. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to upload or how to use the trial reel on the Instagram, which is so useful update for all the creators. First of all, click on the plus symbol, add the video. You just need to add as reel. I just added my video here and click on the next option. Now you can find a new option called trial and it shows as a new. We just need to enable this. So actually what the trial reel is about, it will be show the reels on the feed, and your reel will be only show for your non-followers. So at first and won't appear on your profile. It also will not appear on your profile and will not, if you are having 1,000 followers, it will not, the reel will not be shown for the 1,000 followers. It will be shown for the new followers, so you can easily gain access to a new followers to your account. So this is super useful thing. So it will be in the feed and reels, the reels will be only shown on the non-followers at the first and won't appear on your profile. It performs well. You can also choose automatically share it to everyone in trial setting. So you can just, after making the trial, you can just share to your followers too. For an example, I already posted a video here. So after I just posted, I just got 106 views. So after this, I can also post this to by using some option to share to everyone, so it will be posted on my account. This is how you just use and upload the trial reels on the Instagram. It's so useful for the Instagram group. If you are a creator, I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.